Hello, my darling angels. My name is Paulina, and I am the business owner of 48 Shades. And essentially, what that means is I basically just want to do makeup for all these beautiful people. So I thought, what a good way to start this new venture of mine, and just do a quick get ready with me before I head out. So I'll go ahead and walk you through that. So after I've moisturized, I go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. And once I fill in my eyebrows, I go ahead and just shape them a little bit. So as my eyeshadow base, I'm using MAC Swiss Chocolate. Next, I've grabbed my Zoeva palette in Caramel Melange. Next, I'm using Inglot. Now this is a customizable palette, so I could not tell you the names, but I'm using these three shades to create a main focal point for my eyelids. So for the ends of my lid, I'm using another MAC palette, and for the life of me, I would have no idea what this is. I think it's called the Burgundy palette. Now, one thing that I will mention is blending is your best friend, so get to work, baby. I bring down some of the concealer underneath my eyes, and that just brightens up that area. Also, something that I should mention is, personally, I don't like using foundations or liquids or any type of my skin, so this is probably the only thing that I would use underneath my eyes to just brighten it up a little bit. As for foundation, it's a no-go for me. So now I'm going to set my face with Studio Fix press powder, and I'm using NW43. Now to set my concealer, I love using this Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish loose powder, and I'm using number 8 named Soft Honey. One thing I should note is that yes, sometimes I do bake, but most of the time I only just pat on and pat off. I find that this makes a natural look for me. After setting my under eye, I then found a random brown, I ain't gonna lie, and I use that to shape my face as a contour. Now I start off with a darker brown. Now to bring that contour a little bit of warmth, especially to my face, I then grabbed MAC in a mineralized skin finish, and this one is called Sun Power. So now that I've finished setting my face, in the meantime, I'm going back to my eyes and I'm putting that same transition color on my bottom lash line. I then followed again with that brown. It's really up to you what you'd like to do here, experiment, but in this case I just wanted to keep it all consistent. So here I'm just going to line my eyes with black eyeliner, and this is from Sephora. Now I don't usually do this, but I'm setting my eyeliner with a NARS eyeshadow palette in the color Reborn. Now after the eyes, what I like to do is apply mascara. I don't do the black side first. I like to use a white mascara as it helps extend my non-existent eyelashes. And while I let that dry, I'm now going to go into my highlighter, and I'm using Gold Deposit Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. Once I'm done that, I'm going back in with my mascara. This time I'm using the black end of the mascara. Now you can use a lip liner, a lipstick, whatever it is that you like. I just happen to have liked that shade, and what I do is I put a lip gloss in the center of my lips, and that just gives it a more fuller look for me. So I really hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, share, repost, get your girl's name out there. I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Mwah!